friends, today we're going to be making a red, white, and blue layered treat made out of Jello and marshmallows. So the first thing that we already did was we boiled our water just like the box had said. Today we're using blue raspberry Jello and strawberry Jello. So we went ahead and made the blue raspberry Jello, whisked it in, all that good stuff, and now we're going to go ahead and pour it into our cups to start out our layers. Alright, so after we've let our blue layer sit for about an hour, we went ahead and took them out of the refrigerator and added in our white layer, which is marshmallows. And we prepared our strawberry Jello for our red layer. So we're going to go ahead and add that now. Alright friends, so once they've sat in the refrigerator until the Jello is set, these are your final products. Enjoy!